I want to share with you how to make another beautiful wallet. I use this wallet when my last time visited senior center, and the lady there asked me if I have any time. No need to, but to make her one with the wristless. So I feel bad and it's easy to make, so I'm gonna make it and bring it to her next time when I come to visit the senior center. The Xerox paper here I have, it's 8.5 by 11. I fold it in half, recycle paper, everyone. You don't need to get the Xerox paper, okay? Super easy. That's why I don't mind. So you go down to 8 inch and 1/4. This is 8 inch and 1/4. And from 8 and 1/4, you going up 3 and 3/4 up an inch. So 3 and 3/4 up an inch. This side you're going up 2 and 1/4. And then connect these points. So for this part, I'm using the lighter interfacing, and I have cut one out. It's thicker. So you cut one, and another one right here that I cut with the thicker one. I use number 809, and the size is 8 and 1/4 by 13 inches and 1/4. Okay. All right. So let's find the fabric for this project. You need 2 fabric, one for the lining and one for the main side. I'm gonna iron in here, but I'm gonna make sure that I have 1/4 up and ends around. So everyone, after I cut in the main side, after I iron the interfacing, I cut the main side out 1/4 of an inch all around. You can see, and then I place on the lining. The lining is the white fabric, but it's beautiful. It has some design on it. So now we're going to sew one side of this together. So you follow the interfacing on this side right here. You're gonna sew these two, the lining and the main, together all the way down. There's 1/4 of an inch on here. And also I cut this one, the white one, and I iron in the interfacing in the back. So fold this way. You're going to follow the interfacing and you sew all the way down. Also cutting the fabric here 2 inches in half. At the end right here, you don't have to worry about it because we need it and it's gonna hide inside anyway, so don't cut this part out. If you have this and you want to use it for this strap, everyone. So 2.5 inches by 14 inches. It go longer or shorter depend on the length of the side of your wrist, okay? And then you fold it in half this way, and then fold it in half again on both sides, and then here you're gonna fold again. So after that, every time you fold, you iron it, okay? And then you're going to sew the top line all the way, and then the bottom line all the way. So everyone, after I sew on the strap, let's just put the strap away. And then this one right here, I sew on this 1/4 of an inch, and also this line right here, I sew all the way up. So let's just inside out this whole thing. This little piece right here, you're gonna top stitch this side. Go on this side. So you're gonna top stitch on this. You can top stitch on this side and this side too if you want to, but then no need to do this side. But I did that by accident. On this side right here, half an inch. And then on this side, half an inch. Now you're going to place this in here. When you place it, you're going to place this longer side facing down, okay? Facing away from you and then the straight on here. So half an inch, make sure it gonna touch like this. So sew it in here, and I sew the straight line all the way here, and then sew the line on here too. And if you want to divide in this one, you can divide it now, like this, okay? 4, straight line down. And then right in the center right here, right in the middle, straight down. Just to divide the pocket. So everyone after I sew on very closely here, go down this way, going up, and then I divide in half too. You see the happening on the top where we marked earlier? Place the wristlets on top of it. And from the happen in, you're going to mark 5 inches and flap it up. When you're done on this side, you're gonna flip into this side, and then you follow this like guy, and make sure everything is meet up on the top, the side, and everything. I turn to this side because you can see the interface and where you sew, okay? Alright, so you're going to leave it here about 3 or 4 inches open. So start at bottom, the bottom here, don't sew here, don't sew on the fold. Go into here, follow the interface and on the side, go to here, stop, leave this open, go to here, sew it down all the way. So inside out, after you sew around. So you go on the top stitch at this part right here, go all the way up, go all the way down to here and stop. So everyone, after I top stitch this side all the way down to here, and I'm going to add the button for this, okay? So one on each at the corner going in, you estimate about half an inch. You can mark the side, and then the other side for half an inch, you're going to add the button. One right here, and then one right here. You can eyeball it. Everyone, I'm using magnet button for this. Okay, so I'm going to use one for this side and then this one for the other side. So one for here, and then when you're done, you're gonna pull it over and then you press so you can mark the side, and then you're going to sew this side. Okay, just like how you do the snap button, so exactly the same. So go and do that. Very simple. Go right in the middle. If you hear the ambulance, you hear the fire truck, whatever that is. Every time I hear that, and if I'm driving, my goodness, I don't know. I just want to come down and tell the firefighter just to drive my car. So scary. Alright, so I'm gonna go like this, everyone. Hide the knot under, and then from here I slide the needle only on the lining side of the fabric, and then I sew. Okay, and then when I'm done for one hose, I'm gonna slide the needle under, go to the other. I'm only go to one side, okay? I'm not going to the other side like this, okay? This side I didn't do anything. So, and do that, continue to do exactly the same for all, okay? Do that, and when you're done with this, you're gonna pull it down, press, and then you mark for this one. So exactly the same. Do this one exactly the same. On this side, sew it, pull over, press, you know where it is, mark, and then sew. When I finished with the wallet, and let me show you what it looked like, because for the elderly, it's easy for them just to snap like this. They don't have to pull it down. And with the inside and the pocket on this side, they don't have credit card, and sometimes they have like a shopping card, so it's not gonna like worry you falling out or anything. So I cut this exactly the same size of the credit card, because last time I used the real one and I left it in here in the wallet that I modeled for the video, so it's go all the way down, so it's like, okay, not gonna fall out. So I left it in the wallet for the model wallet, and when I went shopping, I don't have a card. It go all the way down. Look. And then you can put some cash on the side, which they always carry cash. Your cash is on the side, and some change. If you have some change, you can put on the side too. And then the phone. If they carry the phone, you put the phone in here too. When they're done, snap it right here with the snap magnet button, and that's it. And the wristlets is right here. Just hold on to it. And the wide side of this wallet is 5 inches, and the long side is 8 inches long. Look very easy to make, everyone. I hope everyone here watching the video do this. And look at the crank, it's so cute. How beautiful, and it's easy to do. Look at them, so nice. This Japanese fabric I got online, so check in my description. What happened with the Japanese fabric, sometimes they sell it's like 6 or 12 or 10 pieces, and if they ran out of the style that you order, they send you something else, but most of the time they send exactly what you pick. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for the people who joined my channel membership. I really appreciate your support and your kindness to my channel. Love you. Stay safe, everyone.